Welcome to this market overview of the paper cookbooks market. The global paper cookbooks market was valued at USD 7,142.993 million in 2024 and is projected to reach USD 11,770.76 million by 2032, growing at a 6.2% CAGR. Growth is being driven by stronger interest in home cooking, the continued appeal of premium printed editions, and the tactile, collectible value of physical cookbooks, even as digital formats expand. Public market coverage also points to rising demand tied to culinary education and visually rich printed recipe content. In the wider print market, U.S. print book sales still posted a 1.6% increase in fourth quarter 2024, showing that physical formats remain resilient. Public market segmentation shows the category split by type of cuisine, recipe type, author category, end-user demographic, and distribution channel. Key demand clusters include regional and local cuisine, healthy eating and nutrition, celebrity chefs and food influencers, and channels like bookstores and online retailers. Regionally, North America is the only market with an exact open web value on the paper cookbooks dataset. It accounted for 38.32% share and USD 2,136.91 million in 2023, and is projected to grow at 5.79% CAGR. Applying that growth rate gives a 2024 estimate of about USD 3.0 billion. For the other four regions, exact open web paper cookbook revenue tables were not publicly visible. So the following are proxy estimates using the broader regional mix of the books market. On that basis, Europe is about USD 1.83 billion with a proxy 3.8% CAGR, Asia Pacific about USD 2.08 billion with 5.4% CAGR, Latin America about USD 290.7 million with 3.8% CAGR, and Middle East and Africa about USD 536.8 million with 2.8% CAGR. In North America, demand is supported by a strong home cooking culture and a mature cookbook publishing ecosystem. Europe benefits from deep culinary heritage and demand for premium giftable editions. Asia Pacific is supported by rising cookbook demand across growing consumer markets and is the fastest growing broader books region. Latin America and Middle East and Africa remain smaller, but growth is supported by expanding consumer book markets and wider interest in cooking and food culture. Overall, paper cookbooks continue to hold value as practical kitchen guides, cultural products, and visually appealing collectible formats for home cooks around the world. To know more about our research services, visit www.𝗤verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@𝗤verifiedmarketresearch.com.